Hi, my name is Chad, one of the showroom designers here at Sullivans, and I would like to take a moment to discuss with you some current home decor trends that are out there, particularly maximalist design and the Bridgerton effect. And what do I mean by that if you haven't encountered those terms before? It's basically the essential idea of lots of textures, colors, patterns and designs, and floral elements mixed in with modern and contemporary decor designs. You'll notice behind me there's lots of soft colors and gold metallics that mix nicely in with modern and contemporary spaces. Beautiful colors and floral textures. We also have quite a bit of insect and bird and butterfly and bunny elements to bring a little whimsy to your home for the springtime. The beautiful colors of the peacock plates and the mugs, all tying in with that wonderful, deep, rich colors and soft pastels that are all the rage in the trend right now in decor out there. So we hope you enjoy this collection, and we look forward to seeing it and what you do in your home spaces with it.